This part, what I will do, I will try to group the data by month so that I can know uh, how many clades of each and is specific clade are counted in each month. So for grouping the data by month, I have to select the TV news selected data frame, and I have to group by the clade and the month. So the month is basically is in the normal days format. So I will float the month so that it it basically converted to the uh, is converted based on the month, not by the dates. So the here everything will be one. So it will start from the from one. That means the first of the month. So for that reason, I will say, and I will use the lubricate function, use floor date function, and I will use the date and the month. And I say that, so I'm saying that group the date according to month, and I will count the I will count how many color clays are there in 1 month. So for that reason, I've had to use the function tell. So okay, now I want to rename the data frame as tvenue1. Say that tvenue1. So see, here you can see that uh, month a month is basically the date is converted to basically month. So you see the first of each and every month. So I will now filter the dates between two time frame, because I will take data from February January 1st 2022, that till the date the data has been enlisted. So I will take the tvenue1 data frame, and I will use the filter function, filter, and the month will be greater than 22, and I will take month from here and to so I know that from the data after watching the last of the data, I saw that the date ends at 9/9 2022, and I will call it as tvenue2. I will call it as tvenue2. So okay, wait. Now I know each and every clade of G, how many clade each and every month, how many G clades are uh, basically counted by the. So now what I will do, I will plot the bar chart. plotting the bar chart, I will call the ggplot. ggplot, I will use the tbnew2 data frame, and the tbnew2 data frame, I will give the aesthetics x as month and y as in, and I will fill the data frame with clips, and I will call the geom bar. I will say the position equal fill. That means the bar will be filled in the y-axis, and I'll say that status identity, and I will give the x label as year month. Because it is basically year and month. So let's learn the data frame. Let's see if it works or not. Nice. It's a very pretty looking graph as expected. So it basically says the y-axis you have the percentages of each clade, and x-axis we have the months. Each and every one is month in x-axis. So I will create a new data frame now to create the pie chart, because for the pie chart I don't need the date column. So new data frame for pie chart. Okay. So for that reason, I will use this tvnew3 data frame, tvnew data frame. I will use the tvnew data frame. Basically, that is basically my initial data frame, tvnew data frame. So I will take the tvnew data frame, and I will select. Oh no, I'll drop the date column. Just drop the date column. Just drop the date column and call it as tvnew3. And let's see how the data frame looks like. So we have the data frame, and now I will group it by clade and the location, and try to find the number of each clade in each location. So I will call the tvnew. Oh, sorry, I haven't get the chunk. Call the tvnew3 data frame, and I will group by clade and the location. And I will say it as a tally, because I have to count and I will call it as tvnew4. Here you can see the number of each clade in each locations. So for plotting the pie chart, now here comes the plotting the pie chart. So for plotting the pie chart, I will basically use the same code that has been used for plotting the bar chart. So I will modify it. So I will basically copy this code. No, not all the code. I'll copy this code till here, copy it and I will modify it according to my expected outputs. So the data frame is TVNew4 here, and I will say that X is 1 because I want to see n in the y-axis, and I will fill by the clade and the position will be filled and set entry. Okay, fine. Now I want to use the facet grid function to basically on the clade to basically I will basically try to use the facet grid on the clade to free the y scale, because that will basically give me my expected output. So I will use the facet grid on the clade. Do the clade and scales will be free underscore y, and I will free the spaces also. And I want to use a facet replication because I want to see 6 continents in one graph, one figure. So I will facet trap according to the location, and I will use the chord polar because use the chord polar. I will use the argument equal theta equal y, and I will make the scale y as continuous, because continuous y-axis will give me a fully filled graphs. So I'll run it. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's basically what I wanted to see. But here, see here there is some markings on the on around the circle. So I want these markings to be vanished by using the theme function. So in the theme function, I will make the x-axis ticks and y-axis ticks, and make the y-axis. This is basically in the y-axis. So I will make the y-axis ticks blank. So axis the ticks that y equal element blank. So I want to do the same thing for the axis text y and axis text x. So for this I'll copy it just. Sorry. Axis text y. Sorry. Axis text y is element blank. Now I want to element blank the axis text x, because the x-axis text I don't want that. So I think I'm pretty much done. So run it. So this is the basically the final output of my project, the pie chart, where I can see the percentages of each clade in each and every continent. Thank you for watching my video.